Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have 4 minus 2 in parentheses times 4 minus 2. Now 4 minus 2 gives us 2, and 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Now 2 times 2 gives us 4. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way first, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. According to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So 4 minus 2 gives us 2. Now we have 2 times 4 minus 2. We have one multiplication here. So as we know, multiplication has higher priority than the subtraction. So we have to solve this first. Now 2 times 4 gives us 8. And now 8 minus 2 gives us 6. The final answer is 6. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.